Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Leonardo AI Image Prompt Best Image Prompt Tutorial. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Leonardo AI is a cutting edge artificial intelligence tool that specializes in creating digital artwork, including images, illustrations, and portraits. So it uses advanced algorithms to generate visually impressive and creative pieces, making it a valuable tool for artists and creators looking to explore new dimensions of art and design. So to get started, you'll just need to head on to their website in here and search leonardo.ai onto your local browser. So right after, you should be redirected in here and you'll have an option to create an account. So simply click onto that and you need to be whitelisted to be able to sign in. So if you're not yet whitelisted, simply add in your first name, email, and click on count me in and follow the prompts. Right after that, just simply go through the same process again and click onto yes, I'm whitelisted. Then right after, you should be able to see a login page, and right after logging in, you should be able to see already Leonardo's dashboard. So you have the featured models onto the upper part and the recent creations done by other designers onto the bottom part. Here onto the left side, you'd be able to see your token, the different feeds, and here the user tools, the settings, the fact and help, and the logout button. So what you'll need to do in here is to head onto AI image generation. So simply click onto that and you should be able to get redirected onto the AI image generation page. Now, right after, you should be able to see in here wherein you would be able to type in the prompt, the number of tokens you have, the number of images you want to generate. So you could choose up to 8. The photoreal, prompt magic, alchemy, public images. So you could also adjust the input dimensions of your photo. So you could choose onto the different photos in here. You could also choose the ratio, the guidance scale, some control net, tiling, and the feature in here that what we're going to be using. So we have the image to image and image prompt. Now what you'll need to do is simply click onto this image prompt in here, and then you need to upload or drag in a photo or image in here that you want to use as an embed. Now I have my photo already in here. Let's just simply drag it and drop it in here so that it would be uploaded. So this is actually a photo of a cat. And if you're wondering what image prompt is all about, so this is actually a visual reference or input provided to the AI system to guide its creative output. So we have added in here a cat to guide our input. So we could upload an image as a prompt and the AI will analyze the image and generate artwork that is inspired or related to the provided visual. So it will allow us to have more control over the style, composition, or theme of the generated art, making it a valuable feature for artists and designers seeking specific creative results. So as you can see, it is already added in here, the photo. So what we'll need to do in here, so we actually have this image weight. So the higher the value of it, it will make the output look more like the reference image. So we could lower this up until 0.56 and let's type in a prompt. So I have a prompt in here already created. So I'll just need to have this one pasted out and then choosing a fine-tune model. So we have chosen Leonardo Diffusion and then click on generate. Now, as you can see, here are the photos that it has generated using the photo of the cat that we have put in. And you could also try to readjust this image weight in here so that you could see other more generations. So you could also play within the prompts that you have added in here to make it more stylish. So click on to generate and here are the photos that it generated. So actually you have the option to delete the image in here, download it. You have also the copy, the unzoom image, and the remove background. And here is the other photo. Let's try to download this one as well. And there you have it. You've learned how to use Leonardo AI Image Prompt Best Image Prompt tutorial. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, just comment it down below. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on to our next video.